No.
I'm just putting the valve covers on and hooking up all the wires and taking the chain, the lifting chains off.
Okay.
And then I'm going to mount the alternator and then work on the transmission mount.
Okay.
But I want to get rid of some of this junk here.
Okay. You still haven't gotten the thermostat, I see.
Yeah, I got the thermostat, but
Just
I
haven't
haven't put
installed
it in
it.
yet.
Okay.
The transmission has to be lifted up so it's not sitting on this bar. Right?
Yeah.
So I'll jack it up about this high so we have quite a bit of clearance, and then I'll make a mount from here across, bolted to the frame.
Yeah.
And we'll put studs in here
So it doesn't move. Yeah.
so that I can tighten the bottom so it doesn't move.
Okay.
And then it's done. We got the starter on.
Okay. So
Next is the drive shaft. It's going to be a short drive shaft.
okay. Is that something you have to make, or do you order
No,
that
I
in?
gotta make it.
Okay.
So.
Everything lining up so far? Or?
Oh yeah, it's going to be good.
Okay. So what kind of parts are you still waiting on?
Well, you got to cut the drive shaft and mount it.
Yeah.
And then we got to put the bracket for the brake cylinder and the rotor and the caliper.
Okay.
And then the dash shifter has to come
Oh, right. The shifter, right.
to hook to here.
Okay.
That's,
yeah,
that's
right
the
there.
shifter there.
Yeah. Okay.
So I got quite a bit of work yet.
A couple more days or a week or?
A week anyway.
Okay.
That's providing I get the shaft and everything right away.
Okay. Okay. So some more progress today then. Are you happy with the progress today?
Yeah, it's coming together. It all takes time if you do it properly.
Yeah.
So now the wiring is all done.
Okay.
I'll go to this got to be bolted down yet, the
Okay.
motor mount, but I'll do the transmission first of all and then go from there.
Okay.
That's about it for today. Gonna pick up tools and clean up here a bit.
Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. It's plugging away. Blue 1966 Wide Gauge Bombardier, and Dad is happy with the progress so far.
There's really only two things you need. You need parts,
Yeah.
and then you need some money to cover the parts.
Yeah. Okay.
The labor we're not too worried about, but I hate buying all the stuff and then waiting for money for parts.
Yeah.
It's nice to have an advance for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
that's
there
it.
you go. Like, subscribe, comments, tell us what you want to see. And probably another 4 or 5 days to a week on this one yet.